Hello, my dear acquaintances. I'm just going to talk for this small little portion of the video. I'm simply showing you how I do a 4-point rotation using two tools. One of my favorite tools that I really like to use when I have loose ends, specify loose ends, is the hairpin. So easy to use, and you can buy them in bulk, but I do stress I do use them because I have loose ends, so it's easy to wrap around. The next one I like to use is the sewing needle, but it is plastic, so please do not worry. The plastic does not harm me whatsoever, and this is a new tool that I've been using, and they're super cheap to buy, so even if I lose them, it's not hurting my pockets too much. Now, I hope you do enjoy the video. I'm not going to be talking after this point, and it's pretty self-explanatory, so enjoy the show. hope you guys enjoyed that video. Seemed pretty quick and easy to me. But if you have any questions, put it down in the comments below. Make sure to stay locked. Bye!